Coronado Springs.
Hey everyone, we are back at Disney World for a weekend stay at the Coronado Springs Resort. I'm going to have you take a look at our room. This is our fourth time staying at this hotel, but our first time staying in the Ranchos section. So you're going to see it has the Southwest theming with our friends, the Three Caballeros. Got our coffee station with the Joffrey's coffee. Not a fan, but a lot of people seem to like it. Got their new feature, Hey Disney, so we might check that out, maybe play some tunes later. The room comes with 2 queen beds, and Sir over there gets one all to himself.
Yeah.
And we've got a lot of USB plugs, regular plugs, our phone. You're gonna find your safe right down here. Yep. Nice feature in these rooms is there is room under the beds for storage of your luggage, which is great, so it doesn't take up space in your room. We have a beverage cooler, and that should be noted that it is just a beverage cooler. It only cools to 41 degrees and above, so it will keep your drinks cold, but probably not great if you're here for a long stay and you're wanting to keep milk or any perishables.
Bathroom.
And the bathroom. So we've got our double sinks, vanity area, and looks like some more storage down below, which is great. A lot of shelving. This room actually has a lot of storage for some of the Disney hotels that we've stayed in. This is a moderate resort, but you'll find it is usually the price point is a little bit lower than some of the other moderates. Got our storage and our ironing board. And let's see what else. And then we have our bathroom. We do have a tub in this room. Most of the rooms in the tower, in the Grand Destino Tower, have been upgraded to just the standing tub, or excuse me, the standing shower. But it looks like they haven't upgraded this section yet. And we've got our Disney products. What else? Oh, we have the magic doors. Very nice. All right, there you have it. We're looking forward to another fun weekend at Disney World.
Yeah.
All right, little tip we did find out here though for keeping these drinks a little cooler in here is to actually leave the door partially open to let the heat come out. Or if you're gone all day, just leave it all the way open. That way it cools down better and you have cooler drinks when you get back from a long hot day at Disney.